Install the upper left mounting screw approximately halfway, leaving the screw loose enough to slide the ELR assembly clip between the door and the screw. Snake the wire with the Molex connector through the ELR assembly. Slide the mounting clip of the ELR assembly underneath the installed screw. Install the 3 mounting screws. Carefully tighten the upper left mounting screw, making sure you do not pinch or strip the wire located in that area while tightening. Install 2 self-tapping screws on either diagonal, one above the Molex connector and one below. Connect the Molex connectors. If timer mode is required, refer to the written instructions A8147A to set the timer modes on the ELR assembly. Install the cover by hooking the top clip on the inside of the cover to the back of the ELR assembly and screw into place to secure.